Hi guys, I'm so excited. Welcome. We are here in my nursery जहाँ पे मैं अपनी लाइफ का 99% ऑफ द टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ अब. आई थिंक पिछले 3 महीने मैंने लिटरली सिर्फ मैं सोने के लिए रात को कहीं पे जाती हूँ और वो भी कहाँ होती है पूरी रात, मेरी नींद भी नहीं होती है. न्यू मॉम प्रॉब्लम्स, सैड म्यूजिक. No, happy music. This is the happiest phase of my life. But anyway, I'm digressing. I know a lot of people सोचते हैं कि परिणीति is this casual, loud, enthusiastic, funny person. And yes, मैं 50% वो इंसान हूँ. 50% of me is actually a very very calm person. I love to meditate. मुझे soft aesthetic, soft colors, soft चीज़ें, soft लोग, meditative vibe. मैं घंटों गार्डन में बैठ सकती हूँ एक पेड़ के नीचे. मैं घंटों मेडिटेटिव म्यूजिक सुनती हूँ. सो फॉर आवर नर्सरी, राघव एंड आई वर वेरी क्लियर दैट वी वांटेड अ रूम दैट फेल्ट लाइक अ सैंक्चुरी. We wanted a room that was zen, that gave us Buddha energy, because we knew we are first time parents and हम इतना कुछ सीख रहे होंगे. बेबी केयर में chaos होने वाला है. You know, there's feeding and there's crying and there's chaos and there's happiness and there are family members. There's just so much happening when there's a new baby. And thankfully, Raghav and my aesthetic is exactly the same. So we had no issue coming on a common aesthetic together. Nursery में जब दरवाज़ा बंद हो जाए ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि you are in a different world. We wanted peace, we wanted calm, we wanted healing energy so that all our love and energy just goes into our baby and nothing overwhelms us. So we wanted very soothing vibes, we wanted calm colors, we wanted light colors. We wanted these transparent curtains जिसमें से हम beautiful trees and nature देख पाएँ. We wanted these light walls with a very classy wallpaper. We wanted especially like this kind of paneling which gives us a very British vibe which we really like. And now that we have a boy, we wanted to give a very gentleman's vibe. You know, I know he's a little baby, but we see him like, you know, like a little gentleman. So I wanted very gentleman vibes also in the nursery. So when we were planning the nursery, I saw a lot of these Ralph Lauren inspired nurseries which were very classy, which were perfect for a little boy, a little girl, whatever it was. But we did want these elements that describe our family's aesthetic, and our family's aesthetic is very classic with a touch of vintage. So especially for the carpet, so I wanted this very vintage Persian inspired carpet which looks different from other nurseries, which looks a little more polished, a little more adult, but it still looks very beautiful and calming, because right now Neer is very young. He doesn't really understand the room aesthetic, so this room is more for us than for him. so this aesthetic is more for us right now. Even the toys and the artwork and his wardrobe and things that we've made for Neer are in subtle colors. Cotmobile that I've chosen has all the elements with stripes, with spots, with all the animals and details, but it's in colors that are a little more classic and not so loud. Cars, which is expected for a boy, it's the most generic thing, car ka artwork. But I wanted to use vintage cars, so like the first cars that were